I've been getting a lot of questions about the new Apple Airpod headsets and how much microwave radiation they emit. So in this video, I'd like to demonstrate this. So on the left, we have an RF meter which measures Bluetooth radiation. And you can see that the levels here are actually quite low. The only source that we have are these Apple Airpods. So let's see what happens when we point the meter at the Airpods. So you can see that it actually maxes out the meter, and it's the same with the other AirPod. So this is microwave energy which is being emitted directly into your brain when you have these right in your ear. And this is why a wired headset is always your safest option.